wire tuck, see if I can get the light bar ran down here. To a relay panel with fuses in it, ran off battery power with a disconnect going through the fuse panel.
And then goes through the firewall.
Pokes through the firewall down here, and then through the firewall, across into a switchboard. Switchboard lights up, powers up, light bar, cubes. More tab later.
Oh my gosh. It looks insane. So clean.
Like an all wire tuck, looks like it's from the factory. Great brand to work with.
Sick. It's so clean.
I am so impressed. Well,
And these aren't drilled into the hood either. They're with set screws and stuff. So
it's so clean because of that Auxbeam switch paneling system, because I can run all power wires to that fuse box instead of running them all back to each switch.
Right.
And having everything ran through the firewall. All I have is that one cable that goes through. The rest of this ran to this fuse box up here.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's so clean, dude.
That's why I wanted to hit it, because I knew it would clean everything up a lot.
We're over here at the Monty doing a timing belt and water pump job too. Got the new water pump on there, new oil seals. She's going back together. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning though, so we're calling it a night. Gonna come back tomorrow morning and finish this up. Just got done with the clean install on Jeffy's though. That thing's looking freaking sick.